So yesterday, in the Andhra Pradesh Assembly, IT Minister Nara Lokesh stood up and called it misinformation. Deliberate, he said. Spread about the water and environmental impact of the data centers coming to Vishakhapatnam. But here's the thing, though 2 months ago, Mr. Lokesh gave a completely different number for the exact same project. Well, before we get into the further details of what Mr. Nara Lokesh is trying to clarify, here is something which is crystal clear. Cypher is India's biggest AI summit and expo. It's back in its 10th edition. IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, 150 plus demonstrations every day for 3 days, 500 plus speakers, and of course there's an expo and loads of networking opportunities. And some of the speakers I'll just call out right now. Pratyush Kumar, co-founder of Sarvam AI, is going to be there. Abhishek Upperwal is going to be there, the founder of Socket AI, and many such wonderful, brilliant minds in the tech and AI ecosystem. So, well, if you want to be a part of that entire platform, please be there in October of this year at KTPO, Bengaluru. And now, back to what Mr. Nara Lokesh is trying to go ahead and explain. Now, back in June, Mr. Lokesh told people that just 1 TMC of water would be enough to run 6.5 gigawatts of planned data center capacity in Vizag. Yesterday, in the assembly, he gave a new figure for that same 6.5 gigawatt target. That is nearly 3 TMC a year based on current technology. That's actually 3 times his own earlier estimate. Same minister, same project, and it's changed within just a single fiscal quarter. Now, Mr. Lokesh's defense is pretty specific. He says the water will come from the industrial allocation of the Polavaram project, not from the supplies meant for the people of Vishakhapatnam. Dedicated pipelines kept separate, he stressed. He even compared it to a thermal power plant, pointing out that a single 1 gigawatt plant actually uses nearly 10 times more water a year than a data center does. And of course, then he went on to confirm something else as well. The state's own cap set by Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu at 6.5 gigawatts, which has already been fully allocated. Done. So basically, no more room left in that number. But here's the part which is kind of hiding inside Mr. Lokesh's own timeline. Vishakhapatnam's own long-term drinking water plan, the gravity-based Polavaram supply meant for the city itself, isn't actually finished. Mr. Lokesh says that's still about 18 months away. So, well, you've actually got 2 big unfinished pieces of the same river project running side by side. One meant to feed data centers, the other meant for the city. And neither of them is actually done. And to be fair, none of this concern was actually invented out of thin air. Environmental groups and residents have actually held public rallies specifically about water allocation. A Jan Sena MLA raised the question very directly on the floor of the assembly, mind you. All of this comes on the back of Google's $15 billion investment, which is what actually has pulled in wider interest from other global tech companies now eyeing Vizag as well. Real money following real infrastructure into a city whose own water future is, well, still, by the minister's own account, about 18 months from being certain. Which then brings us to the front page take. Now, calling something misinformation is a very strong thing to say. And honestly, it works best when the person saying it has been consistent themselves. Mr. Lokesh's own number for this exact same project went from 1 TMC to nearly 3 in the space of 2 months. And it was never really framed as a correction. Now, of course, that doesn't automatically make the critiques right. So yeah, we're trying to give you a very clear understanding, a balanced one. And it doesn't make the data centers a bad idea either. But it does raise the bar for what, and I quote, just trust the numbers is actually supposed to mean, when actually the numbers themselves haven't managed to sit still. Well, please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think IIM.